This is more for, I think, more for a night out, but if you're a little more daring, you could wear it for during the day. So if you want to go further, and this is so simple, you would just need 3 other products, and I'll link them for you. One of them is a gold highlighter, or if you're not into gold, you could use a pink highlighter. And I like to get a different brush for my lighter shadows. So I bought a dark colored brush for my dark shadows and a light brush for my light shadows. So on the left, I'm going to use my pink shadow. This is so simple. And I just, again, I don't unscrew it far, maybe a little bit more than 1/4 of an inch. And I lift my eyebrow and just put the pink shadow. And I go down to the end of my eyebrow. This color is so subtle. It's just going to pick up a little bit of light. It's a very, very light shimmer. And I take my brush, blend it. It's so, so subtle. It's just going to pick up a little bit of shimmer. That's it. So subtle. But if you're not a pink person and you want to try the gold, again, these are Bobbi Brown colors, and she's not into super heavy makeup. You can try the gold. I'll usually use this one if I'm going out at night. And I go down pretty much to the end of my eyebrow. And this is pretty subtle too. And I can use the same brush. And I'm going to blend this one well too. This one's just a little more noticeable. This is more for, I think, more for a night out, but if you're a little more daring, you could wear it for during the day. And that's it. So you see, they're both very, very subtle. Want to go even further? Want to put some eyeliner on? Don't be intimidated. This eyeliner is so user-friendly. It's so soft and so pretty. Let's try it. So here we go with the eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. I'm not good with eyeliner, and you know, I worked as an attorney. I was so busy working out in the morning, then taking my kids to school. I couldn't be bothered with doing eyeliner, but this is so user-friendly. So I'm going to gently lift my eyebrow up and lean back a little bit, and here I go. And sometimes if you just kind of rub it on your hand a little bit, just to kind of get the dry outer surface cleaned off, then it goes on a little bit smoother. So here I go. And because it's a thicker, softer line, you don't have to worry about it being so perfect. Make sure you can see. And again, we're going to stop just before we get to the bottom, because we're going to do another cheat up wing. I'm going to go just till about there. Okay? So look at that. It's not a hard line, it's a soft line. And now I'm going to put the wing on. And this is going to give you a lift too. It's going to make you look younger. I'm going to go down just a little bit so it's in alignment with the eyeshadow wing. And I'm going to cheat here to give myself an instant eye lift. Thank you very much for saving you thousands of dollars. Look at that. How does that look? Let me just go over it again. And we're going to soften it. So these come with their own little smudgers. And you can use their smudgers, or you can use a Q-tip, either one. But Prime Promedics is focused on helping mature women, but you can use their stuff if you're younger too, and you want to use eyeliner and you're just kind of eyeliner challenged. I think I could have done a little better job with this eyeliner actually. Looks like I need some practice here. That doesn't look bad. There, that's better. Make the wing a little bit longer. That was the trick I needed to lift up, gently lift up my eyebrow. Okay, that's good. How does that look? Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye. And I'm going to use my left hand for this other eye to show you how user-friendly this eyeliner is. Okay? Watch. Got to coordinate here. Left hand, okay. Again, I'm using my left hand. Using eyeliner with my left hand. Who would have ever imagined that would have happened? Go down into the corner a little bit. And I'll do the wing at the end. I'm going to keep it consistent again with the eyeshadow wing. Look at that. What do you think, guys? I'm going to smudge it a little bit. I'm going to use their smudger. Isn't this pretty? I really like it. So, do you want to go even further, guys? Let's put a line underneath. All you have to buy is just a small brush to put eyeliner underneath. You don't need to buy a separate eyeliner. Let's go even further. Okay, so to put a to put a line underneath our eyes, we're going to go back to our Bobbi Brown taupe eyeshadow. We're going to take this small angled brush, I've linked this below, and we're going to put a little bit of the taupe eyeshadow on our brush, and we're going to apply it under our eye. So simple. And you always want to use a lighter color under your eye, and because you want it to be very soft. I wore this makeup to a party and I got more compliments. I got a lot of subscribers out of that party. You just want a nice soft line. You don't want it to be a hard line. Everything is soft as we get older. And just kind of let it go off into infinity at the end. You can also choose not to do the line on the bottom. For an everyday look, I don't do the line. I usually will do the bottom line when I'm going out at night. But some people feel a little naked without the line on the bottom. Some makeup artists think it closes up your eye. And I have really sensitive eyes, so I don't put eyeliner on the shelves of my eyes. This brush is great. Makes it very easy to apply. And this is very, very simple to do. And that's it. I'm going to follow up with some mascara. Again, sticking with my brown theme. And you can hold your mascara vertically to put some mascara on the bottom lashes. And it's funny because when you have a soft line underneath, it almost gives you a sort of 70s look, which I think is very pretty and very soft, actually. I don't have a lot of lashes on the bottom. I'm not going to do my bottom lashes with my left hand. I'm not going to attempt that, because I'll just poke myself in the eye. And that's just about it. Let me clean this up a little bit with a Q-tip, and we are done. I want to do a follow-up video and show you how to apply some foundation and blush, and I want to show you how to apply 2 colors. Well, it would actually be 3 on the lid, the crease, and the brow. But I do want to show you how to apply foundation on more mature skin. This is the before look, and this is the after look. That's my video. Remember, being kind makes us the most beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I am going to do a foundation and blush video, and stay tuned for that. And thank you again. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.